Here's how you can check screen time on Android. So, screen time shows how long you use your phone and apps each day. On Android, this feature is called digital well-being. So, in order to do this, simply open Android settings, unlock your phone, then search for the Settings app. Now, open Settings and you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to simply scroll down at the bottom and tap Digital Wellbeing. You can also click on the search icon and search for digital, and it will show up as Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Click on this and it is going to open up this page. Now, on some phones, it may simply say Digital Wellbeing. Now, after opening this, at the top, you will see a user chart. This shows total screen time for today. That is just right here. So, today I've spent 7 hours and 48 minutes on my Android phone. You can click on the chart and it will open up another page where you can simply click on any bars and it will show up the usage for that day. For example, on Friday, that was yesterday, I used my phone 8 hours. Just the same way, you can click any of these charts and it will show up the total usage. Now, if you click view all, you will see how much time you've spent on each app on your mobile phone. You can go back, select another day, click view all, and you will see all the information of your screen time just right here. So you will see a list of apps. Each app shows time spent, number of opens and notifications received. For example, if I click Telegram, it will show that I've received 90 notifications. I've used it for 3 hours and 32 minutes today and it has 61 app opens. Now, if you don't see digital well-being, make sure your phone is updated. Search digital well-being in settings because some older or custom Android versions may not support that. So that's a simple way through which you can check screen time on Android. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.